Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle, so please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video you will get notification. So in this video I will be sharing all my monthly favorites from March and April because I haven't shared my monthly favorites in March, so I will be including that. So it include all body care, hair care, perfume and TV shows and all. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Starting this video with a very basic thing, that is hand wash, and I am talking about the Dettol foaming hand wash. This is in the variant strawberry, and oh my god, the fragrance is so amazing. And this is a foaming face wash. This is a foaming hand wash, and oh my god, the fragrance is so amazing. It will instantly wake you up. And this is my second or third purchase, and I have ordered it from Blinkit. Next product is this electric toothbrush. This is from Beat XP, and from the longest time I have used the manual toothbrush, and once I have switched to the electric toothbrush, and I am not going back to the manual brushes again. Oh my god, it cleans your teeth like no one else, and it has 3 modes. The head is electric and the bristles are like moving, so you have to rotate in and around the mouth to clean your teeth. But oh my god, it cleans teeth so good, and I don't know, my mouth feels so light when I use this, and I am not going back to manual brushes again. And it is so budget friendly. Also, I will link all the product down in the description box, so please go check that out. And this is so budget friendly. Next up, I have this simple face wash, and oh my god, I have emptied tubes and tubes of this face wash, and I'm not going to any other face wash once I have used this. It is so gentle, so lightweight on the skin. It's like no nonsense product. It's so good and so worth it. A little water break. This is shampoo from Minimalist. This is Malik Bond Repair Shampoo 3.5%. And oh my god, I have finished bottles and bottles of this shampoo. Even my husband loves it a lot. It makes scalp so clean and hair so smooth. This is no nonsense shampoo. It lathers up so beautifully. It has slight bit of fragrance. The fresh fragrance will linger on your hair. It has amino acid and ceramides, and it make hair so smooth, so frizz free. And we have and I have finished bottles and bottles of it, and now I am so obsessed with this, and I am not going back to any other shampoo. Next product is this hair mask from Love Beauty and Planet. This is argan oil and lavender hair mask, and oh my god, it smells so soothing and so wonderful. I have finished 2 tubs of this hair mask, and this is my third one. And oh my god, if you have dry and frizzy hair, trust me, get this, you will never regret it. And it make hair so soft, so smooth, and so nourished and manageable. And at the end of the day, you will not need any leave-in conditioner or the conditioner. So please get your hands on this. Also the Nykaa sale is live, so you can grab all this product from Nykaa and you can save some penny up. And this is a great hair mask. Next up, I have this AHA, BHA and PHA peel. This is from Minimalist, and oh my god, this face peel is so amazing, and it will clean up your all the pores, blackhead, whitehead, and if you have any bumps, small tiny bumps on the nose, it will clean it up. And I'm using this face peel 2 times a week, and it give you amazing result. Also, it helps in detain your face, and This is totally empty and I am so obsessed with this product. Next product is this. This is the sipper and this is lavender in color. It has so beautiful color. Also this is 1200 ml. So it makes my water intake so easily and so on right point. Also this is summer essential and it makes my water intake for the day. In entire day I can finish it up 2 times. So it makes around 2 or 2.5 liters of water for a day. Water intake is done and I'm meeting my goals. So this is a great investment. And this is also, the color is so cute and it looks so aesthetic. So yeah. Next product is this Bioderma Atoderm Creme, and oh my god, this is so beautiful moisturizer. It works so well with the dry skin type and I have Sara Desert dry skin. So it works so good, and even in the summer it works so wonderful, and in winter, oh my god, I don't need any other moisturizer. But in summer, if you take a little extra quantity, you will feel so sticky. But if you take right quantity, it is so great and it works so well in the summer. And this is fragrance free and it works so well for the sensitive skin, and totally repurchasing it again. For the makeup, I have three makeup products. First is this Tear Cushion Foundation, and everyone on the internet is going crazy and gaga over this product, and I know the hype. Oh my god, it's so worth it, and it is so beautiful foundation. The formulation is so beautiful and the cushion applicator is so easy. It gives you so high coverage without drying your skin, and you know I have so dry skin, but it doesn't cling on my dry patches if I moisturize my face so properly. Next is this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Oh my god, this primer is so good. It has right amount of stickiness and makeup sits so beautifully on this. And this is my favorite primer and this is the most used primer. Do not go on the product because this is my second tube of this, so it is full. So this is my holy grail product. This is ride or die product for me. Next product is this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and you can see by the bottle how I have used it, and oh my god, the spray so fine like you cannot see. I have tried so many brands and it fixes your makeup like so beautifully, and it will give you that beautiful sheen to your makeup, and I love it, and it will not make your skin dehydrated or dry. Next product is this Ramson perfume, and you can see it's totally empty, or maybe like just 2 or 3 sprays are left, and it's very everyday perfume and it's so budget friendly, like so budget friendly. It is under rupees 200. Also it smells so fresh. It's one of that fragrance you can wear after shower and you will smell so good whole day, like when you are at home. So it's one of that fragrance. If you are crazy perfume paglu like me and you apply perfume even at you are at your home, so grab this. Next up, I have perfume from Miniso. This is in the variant Libra, and it's based on your zodiac sign. And oh my god, it smells so amazing. God, the fragrance is so good. It lingers on your body for around 5 to 6 hours, and it smells so fresh. Like this is totally empty. Basically, this is unisex fragrance or maybe man fragrance, but nevertheless, I love it and I will repurchase it again. Now coming to the most amazing part, which is food, and these days I am trying to eat healthy snacks and I am totally obsessed with this. Makhanas. This is some other brand, but I am obsessed with Farmless Makhana in the flavor peri peri. Usually I roast it at home. If I have forgot to roast at home, so I ordered this Makhanas, and also this is in the flavor peri peri, and I love it. Like, this is my go-to snack. I can fill my stomach up with this. Also, these makhanas are healthy, so I am enjoying guilt-free. And also, I have one unhealthy obsession, and this is the chili garlic Maggi. It tastes so amazing and so soothing. Right now, I'm salivating, and definitely I will make it after this video. And also, I will pop the recipe over here, which I follow. And oh my god, the Maggi turned out so amazing, and I'm so obsessed with this Maggi. So, this is my healthy and unhealthy obsession. Now, coming to the most interesting part, songs and drama. These days, I am obsessed with all the Pakistani songs, like जो भी उनके OSTs रहते हैं, वो कभी मैं कभी तुमका, चल दिए तुम कहाँ, and I am listening this on loop. मीम से मोहब्बत का and all, I am listening this on loop. So yeah, that's my recent song obsession. And talking about all the Pakistani dramas and Korean drama, the only K-drama which I saw is When Life Give You Tangerine. I literally cried in episode 1. Like, from episode 1 to the end of the drama, I literally cried my heart out. Oh my god, it's so emotional drama. It's must watch. I am not revealing right here, right now. Like, you have to see. And talking about all my obsession with the Pakistani drama, I have watched Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum. It's so beautiful, so simple. And Pakistani drama, like Indian serial, and their glow up, like it's kind of that thing. And they end mostly in 30-32 episodes, which is like so easy to watch, and maximum duration is 30 to 40 minutes. And I recently watched Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum, Meem Se Mohabbat, Humsafar, and which I and one more drama that I have watched. Let me just tell you. And Judwa. This drama, I have watched 4 Pakistani drama, and 4 of them are like so lovely, and I love Pakistani drama. And also, I have recreated the Meme Se Mohabbat look. Like, literally, I am obsessed with Pakistani drama, Pakistani songs. So I am in that kind of era, and literally I am obsessed with Pakistani kurtis and suit sets. So yeah, that's the other thing. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.